Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will see a complete review about this HBM-60CC microphone, from build quality and how well its noise cancellation capability works when it's connected to DSLR camera, Windows PC, Mac, Android, iPhone, speakers. So we will see everything about this HBM-60CC mic. So stay tuned till the end of the video. So before we go into this video, my name is Rehan, and if you guys are new to my channel, stay subscribed for more gadget review videos. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's go into the review. Before we unbox it, we will see what are the contents of this box that is promised by microphone brand Ahuja. Okay, as you can see, it's actually a made in India product. That's actually built by a brand called as Ahuja, and the model number is HBM-60CC. There are lot of other models with this same look alike. I would recommend you guys to buy the 60cc model because it actually performs better comparing to the others based on my observations. Okay, so let me know what you guys thoughts in the comments below. Okay, so moving further, the company has mentioned 3 points about this microphone, so let me bring it close to you. So as you guys can see, it's the band is actually ergonomic designed, so it will be very comfortable and convenient for you guys to wear it in your head. It reduces the pickup of stray room noises. Since this microphone is actually a condenser unidirectional microphone, captures only the audio of our nearby and also at a single direction. So so the background noise of your room, like fan noise and everything, will get cancelled out in this microphone. Okay, so the third point which they had told is this is good for announcements, teaching, presentation and religious discourses. So these are the 3 points that is provided by Ahuja brand, and here I think they have provided the technical specifications, and the main thing which I think I understood here is the cable length, which is a 6 meter. So yeah, it's a 6 meter long cable, which is really good if when you're doing the presentations or any recitations or anything like that. Okay, so this type of microphone you guys would have saw it in a TV shows or even in a mosque. If you guys are noticed, the imam would have wear this and he would have recite the prayer and anything like that. And also you guys could have find it in a lot of reality shows as well. In reality shows, there will be it will be like a sandal color microphone, which I'll take a review on in another video, so stay tuned. And so these are the promises that is given by the brand, where you can use them and how well it performs and how well it designed. Okay, so let's unbox it. Okay, inside this box, so this is what actually I got it, but I already unsealed it and I have used it for small testing. So it looks looking ugly, but when it came, it was looking very tidy. So don't worry guys. So this is my way of repackaging, so for you guys to show it. Especially, so I got this kind of an adapter that is used to connect it to big amplifiers. Since an announcement place or mosque or masjid, they use only the big amplifiers. So this is the adapter that helps to connect this microphone to that amplifiers, and it also comes with a battery. So I can show you a battery, how to put a battery slot here. So you need to put a battery slot here, and then you can connect the head microphone into this pin, and then you can directly connect it into your amplifier. So yeah, so but in this video I'm not going to cover this, but if you guys are interested how well it performs in amplifier, let me know in the comments below. I will also make another video on that. So in this video we're not going to concentrate on that. What our main concentration is, we'll see about this build quality first, then we will see how well it performs when it is connected to a DSLR and whatever home devices we use, and how well the noise cancellation works. So we will see only about that. Okay, So first thing we'll see about the build quality. Build quality is really looking good, guys. As you guys can see, here is the Ahuja brand, and as you guys can see, it actually designed in I mean, it's kind of like a very soft. It's not too heavy, so you're able to easily wear it in your head without any, without any feel of that is actually in your head, which is really good. And this wire quality is also really good, guys. And this is the 6-meter cable. I can't untie it and show it in the video, but it's actually 6-meter cable. I already measured it, so don't worry about it. Okay, and the pin it's a TS pin, so it records only the mono. So yeah, so either you have to use a like a stereo adapter or a post editing to change the audio from mono into stereo, so it will be available at both the channels. So what does it mean is, when you connect this to directly into your PC or DSLR or anything like that, so it's going to record the audio in only one channel. By default, it will record in the left channel only. So I'll also tell you how to fix that in the post editing. And you guys can noticed this a small kind of like a belt kind of thing. So what is the use of this belt is, suppose if you don't need that much of long wire, you can roll it and can fold it like this, so it won't untangle a lot. And so that's the main reason why they have given it. So it's actually very thoughtful that they have given this also. Even I think in Boya mic they didn't give this. So I feel this is a really good addition to this. And yeah, so that's all. And also, yeah, one more thing about this build quality, the pad that is resting on your head is kind of like made of soft material. When you place that in your head, it will be really soft. You guys will not feel any pressure when you put on your head. Okay, so and also it's kind of like a really elastic, kind of like, it's not exactly elastic, it's kind of like a flexible body, so you can wear it on any big or small head or anything like that. So, okay, so it's really good microphone, guys. And this wire, it's kind of like a wire build, which also feels very nice. Even this mic is also made of this wire build. Okay, so that's the only thing about the build quality. And this rotation is not actually 360 degree. It is actually restricted to not to entire 360. I think around maybe 270 degrees. So it's not a complete 360 rotation. So keep in mind when you do that recording also. Okay, so that's all about this build quality, guys. Now we will connect it to my DSLR, PC, Android, iPhone, and see how well this microphone performs. Okay, so let's switch back to the audio test. Okay, guys, now I have connected my Boya BY M1 mic into Canon M50 camera. So this is how it sounds. So I just connected to show you how well it performs compared to the Boya BY M1 mic. This is how it sounds. Mic test 1 2 3. Thank you for watching. Okay, guys, now I have removed my Boya BY M1 mic. Now I'm actually directly recording using the Canon M50 inbuilt camera. So this is how it sounds. Mic test 1 2 3. Thank you for watching. Okay, guys, so this is how you need to wear this Ahuja headphone. So as you guys can see, it rests in before my ear. You can also place it whichever it's convenient for you. So this is what is convenient for me, and I have kept the headphone near to my mouth. And now it's in auto settings, and I have connected this mic directly into my Canon M50 DSLR. So this is how it sounds even when the fan is running at full speed. I hope you guys like this audio quality. Mic test 1 2 3. Thank you for watching. Okay, guys, now I'm recording with Ahuja microphone that is plugged into my Canon M50 DSLR. So this is how it sounds. Mic test 1 2 3. Thank you for watching. How do you guys like the audio quality? Actually, the fan is switched off right now. Let me switch on the fan to show you guys how well this microphone reduces the noise. So currently I have set it to manual to to reduce the background noise. So now my fan is running at full speed and I can able to hear a lot of noise. So hopefully this microphone should not capture it. Let's see the post editing. Now I changed some audio settings in Canon M50 to reduce the background noise capture. Even though this microphone reduces the background noise, now you might not hear a lot of background noise using this headphone. So let me know in the comments below how to reduce the noise when you use this any microphone into your DSLR. So this is how it's Ahuja sounds in the manual settings. Mic test 1 2 3. Thank you for watching. And even my fan is also running at full speed, just for your information. Okay guys, now I'm going to wear a headphone along with this Ahuja mic, and so I just wanted to show you guys whether it can be used for streaming or not. So this is a very small headphone, lightweight headphone guys, which is from Jabra. It's a wired headphone, so this is what I use mostly for my meetings and also for streaming purposes. So let me put on and show you whether whether you can able to wear this headphone with this microphone. Okay, so let me wear it and show you. So I'm going to properly place it in my ear, and this also, so you guys can see this thing is actually above my ear. Now I have placed it above my ear. Now this is how it looks guys. Yeah, you can wear small headphones but not big headphones. I have also made a review video on this headphone, and also a Bose headphone that is kind of like a small, which you can use it along with this at a cheaper price. So this is how it looks when you wear a headphone and also this microphone. So yeah, so make sure you guys keep in mind it will be a little bit cluttery, as you guys can see, but but it's not too cluttery. But I just wanted to demonstrate to you guys whether you can able to wear this along with the headphone, because I had this doubt before I was going to buy this. So yeah, this is how it looks guys. Okay, you can also see. Let me check whether I guys can able to properly see me. Okay, so that's it guys. So let's connect it to my Android phone and see how the audio quality is. Okay guys, now I'm back to my room, and as you guys can see, I'm actually sitting close to road and also to the entrance of my house, so there will be a lot of vehicles will be going through, and even my fan is also running at full speed, so there might be a lot of noise over there, and we will see how well this mic performs. Why I'm doing this test is, in India there is a lot of noise. It will be always there unless you're in a place where there are less noise. But most of us will be living in a place where we have a lot of noise. Now you guys can hear the bike going in the background. Okay, so let's see how this mic performs in this Indian conditions, or how well the noise getting cancelled. Okay, let's switch it to mic. Okay, to connect it to the phone, you obviously need the splitter. So without the splitter, you can't connect it to your phone. Well, basically to my phone, maybe some phones might support, but you need this splitter to connect it to your phone. Okay guys, now I'm recording in my phone, in my front camera, so don't worry about the video quality. Just check, let me know how the audio quality is. So this is how the audio quality is. As you guys can see, it's since it is really close to my mouth, the audio quality should be better, but since I have switched on the fan, there might be some background noise that might have get captured. Okay guys, now I'm sitting in my room, and I'm recording in my S8 in my front camera. So this is how the audio quality sounds, and as you guys can see, there is a really good audio quality. Even when my fan is actually running at a full speed, you guys can't able to hear that audio, so which is a really good guys. So yeah, let me know how you guys what you guys feel about this audio quality. Mic check 1 2 3. Hey guys, now I have connected my HBM-60CC mic to the Windows 10 PC, and I'm recording using the OBS recorder, and this is how it sounds. Hope now my fan is actually running at a full speed, and there is also some background noise. Hopefully this mic should not capture much of it. So this is how it's there. I hope you guys like the audio quality. Now I have switched on the NVIDIA RTX voice. Now most of my background noise, including the fan noise, should have been cancelled. Now the audio quality should have much improved, and as you guys can see, the audio quality is better than the other headphone microphone, since it is a unidirectional condenser microphone, and also I found that this sound quality is better than the Boya mic also. So yeah, so this is how it sounds. So hope you guys like the audio quality. Mic test 1 2 3 with the NVIDIA RTX voice. Okay guys, I hope you guys like the audio quality of this microphone, and I'm actually very much impressed by this audio quality of this microphone. Since it is actually kind of like this unidirectional touch and feel here, the microphone input is actually present only here. So since it is situated very close to the only at the direction of the mouth, you can also change the direction to keep it very close or very far away. Because of that, the audio, the background fan noise, everything got removed, so which is really good. Plus, when you need a microphone where you have a room with a lot of fan noise or a background noise, so this microphone improves the audio quality a lot in that scenario. But there are some pros and cons of using this microphone, so we'll discuss one by one now. So, and the first pro is it's kind of like it's a long wire. It might not be much useful for this much of long wire for YouTube videos within a single room, but it will be much useful for the people who is doing a lot of presentation or anything like that. So I'm not telling that it's not good. I'm telling that it might not be much useful, but it's kind of like a pro for the presenters and announcement people who are like doing announcement. So that is the first pro, the length of the cable. The second pro is the mic quality, guys. As you would have heard from the audio test, you guys would have found out this mic really performed very well in PC and DSLR, Android and iPhone, in all those devices. So it's kind of like it's really cool. The audio performance is really good, guys, for this price, and also the background noise cancellation is really good. Even though it cancels the background, there is no hiss sound, or even my voice is also it's not very deep, which is really a big advantage when using this microphone. So that is the second pro. And the third pro is this cushion quality, guys. So even when you wear it for a long time, you won't feel any pressure on when you wear it, because of this really nice cushion quality. Okay, so that is also one of the pro. And the last pro is this ergonomic design. So as you guys can see, it's kind of like a bent like this, so that it will be easier for you to wear it in your head, so that your ear and your head will not. Suppose if the design is kind of like a straight line, you guys might have faced a conjunction between your ear and this microphone. But since this design is kind of like it's designed in such a way that it passes over your ear. So and it also it kind of like fits very well in your head, so don't worry about that. So that's also one of the pro, guys. Okay, so now we have went through the pros. Now I will tell you what are the cons when I use this microphone. So the first main con which I faced when I use this microphone, it's a TS pin microphone. It's kind of like a pro and a con. So the TS pin microphone gives a good audio quality, guys, but the main problem is it records only in the only in a mono direction. So this is a TS pin. So as you guys can see, it's a single ring pin. So This gives a very good audio quality, but the main problem is it records in suppose if your camera or your smartphone or your PC records stereo audio. So when it records stereo audio, so that time it's going to record at only one channel. So you have to do a post edit to fix it, or you may have to use an adapter that will actually send this signal into both the channels. So I have given those link in the description below, that adapter link in the description below. And and if you guys, let me know if you guys don't know how to fix that channel. I will also make another video on how to fix that. Okay, so yeah, so that's the main first con which I see. And the second main con which I see is this headphone can't be used for the streaming. I mean, like, I'm not telling like it can't be used entirely, but if you are using any headphone or anything like that to hear the game audio, and if you want and if you use this microphone for your voiceover, and the main problem is when you wear it in your head, and when you wear the headphone at the same time, so it will be a lot of congested, and you will feel like you have been cluttered with lot of wires in your head. So that's also a second con. So you can't use it entirely for streaming, but yeah, you can use it, like you can adjust it and adjust it in your head, and you can use both the headphone and both this this headband microphone. But just to remind that it's not so convenient to, it's not like very much less convenient, but it's kind of like less inconvenience to use this headphone band. So that's the second con. And the third con is if you see here this rotation, suppose if you are using this wire at a very long place, and if you try to pull this this wire might get plugged off, guys. So maybe because of that this headphone get worn out very easily. So please be very careful when you use this headphone, since like when you're using wired microphones, so this is one of the main issue. So make sure you guys like tangle or something like that with a rubber band or something, so even when they pull it, there will be some buffer or something like that, so that this connecting wire might not get affected. Because if this gets off, then you will most of the time the microphone might get worn off. But you can fix it by going to a nearby electrical shop, but just be careful, guys, when you use it. So that's what I wanted to add it as a con. So that's all, guys. So those are my 3 cons. I don't feel any other con when using this microphone. So this is my personal suggestion. So let me know, like, what are the pros and cons you guys find when you use this microphone. Other than these 3 pros and cons, I feel this microphone is kind of like a really good. Like it helps to reduce a lot of background noise, guys. So that is the main reason why I bought this headphone. But the main thing is I wanted to use it for streaming also. It can be used, but it's not so convenient to use both headphones, big headphones like Alienware headphones with this microphone. So that's the only main con which I found. But other things that it's just only kind of things like you should be very cautioned or something like that. Okay, so those are the pros and cons, right? Okay, so for my final verdict is this headphone is kind of like a really good headphone, guys. I would really recommend for you guys to buy it if you guys are like new to the YouTube channel. I feel this works a little bit better than the Boya microphone, but Boya has its own advantage since it's a lavalier microphone. It's very easy to take it from your shirt, and you can also use it for interview and other purposes. But audio quality wise, guys, this headphone really shines comparing to Boya microphone. Not only it's because of it's a unidirectional condenser microphone, it's kind of like since you can easily place it close it to your mouth, so the background noise will be get cancelled, and even you don't have to speak very louder to to capture the audio, since in the Boya microphone, so those will be in your chest or anything like that. So you don't need any additional stand or anything like that to keep the head microphone in close to your mouth. So that's the main advantage of using this microphone. So if you're a guy who doesn't show your face and just wanted to do some tutorials or teaching videos, or like something like that, you guys can use this headphone. So this is a very good option, guys. So I would really recommend for those type of people. For other types of people also it's very good, but make sure like you guys have to adjust a certain things when you use it. So that you might guys would have like understood by now when I was telling the pros and cons. Okay guys, so that's all about this Ahuja microphone. I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys wanted to buy this microphone at a very cheaper price, do check the link in the description below, and I see you guys in the next video. And if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and I'm glad to answer you all the questions. And I see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.